Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about filter DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here. This is filter DAX function syntax. Okay. See this here. This is filter and table name, table any add table and next to add filters. Okay. Let's check this DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here. Now I am typing new. I am clicking new measure. Now I am typing calculate and I'm adding sum function. Next I'm adding sum of sales and comma. Next financial, sorry, next filters. Okay, once you read this filter returns a table that has been filtered. Okay, next I'm adding my filters name. See this here, I am following this one. Okay, this is syntax table and filter expression. Okay, comma, next filter. Next I'm adding country column. Next is equal to, I need to filter my Canada sales, so now I'm adding only Canada and close this parenthesis. Okay, let's check this tax function in Power BI Desktop. Okay, click new bird and see this here. Now I'm selecting. Okay, see this here, my total Canada sales have 24.89 millions. Okay, let's check this tax function in Power BI Desktop. Now my Canada sales have 24.89 millions. Okay, let's check this page 2. Okay, now I'm selecting new slicer and next I'm selecting countries and next I'm selecting new code and next I'm selecting sales. See this here, now I'm selecting only Canada. See this here, Canada sales have 24.89 millions. Okay. This is filter tax function in Power BI Desktop. Okay.